What is up, YouTube? It's the King 84 here with our second pack opening on this channel. So, we got some two-way pro packs, some shooting pro packs, defensive pro packs, small ball pro packs, and one big man pro pack. So, and look at the final lineup. There's only 6 days left until all of these cards are gone and the NBA Live, and NBA Live Mobile is about to reset. So we will be doing a short pack opening. As you can see here, you got the King of the Court and the Cornucopia, so I'll be keeping those for last. So let's start off with this two-way pack. I'm not really expecting a lot because, you know, it's a two-way pack, and, you know, like Marcus Gasol, I didn't even know which one was the second one. Alright, I'm gonna go here, in the middle, go here, and go here. Alright. I'm expecting some golds, but just you know, Carmelo. Whew, I'm really not ready for the reset because I don't want to get like just a bunch of bronzes in my team. Like, that would be so weird. Okay, we'll start this big man pro pack. Okay, now there's only 2 small ball lineups. Small ball lineup pro pack. I guarantee you this is gonna be done. But this pack, there will be an elite. Boom! Alright, there's no elites, but yeah, there's no elites. Alright, let's start off with this Cornucopia pack. I'll go one by one. So, which one should I go? Here, whew. Here, Trevor Ariza. Go here. Tavius Caldwell-Pope. I'll go here. Oh, I cannot wait. Darren Williams. Okay. Upgrade my. Oh wait, who would have got a free card? No idea. But it won't upgrade my team. Yeah, I got Damian there, so that won't change anything. So now down to the King of the Court pack, my favorite pack. All right. Whew. If I get a 95 and plus, it would be awesome. Giannis. Bill Laimbeer, Tony Allen, Nene, Derrick Rose, Dirk Nowitzki. Oh, Draymond Green. What? That's not a King of the Court, so it's gonna be a double elite. Oh, okay. Okay. Joe. Wait, who is that? Oh, and we're getting Tracy McGrady. Okay. Hey, it upgrades my team, so I'm happy about that, but I wanted at least a 95 and plus, but alright, I'll screenshot that pack. So, let me just see, who I got change on 2A. I think it's Kyle Korver. Yeah, it's Kyle Korver, alright. So, this will upgrade my team. Wait, okay, 95. Slam dunk pack, alright, okay. Another pack. So, okay. Oh, this is actually a big pack. Oh! Oh! Dude! What the heck? Bro! I got 2 elites! I was expecting trash! Oh my goodness! Dude. Wait, is it actually... No, it's not gonna upgrade my team. So, let's see who do we got. I pulled Aaron Harrison, Darren Williams... who else? John Wall, Draymond Green, and that Tracy McGrady 94 overall, and a bunch of goals. So if you didn't like this video, guys, don't whoa, what am I saying? Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Let's try to go for at least 10 views on this video. So if you want me to play a different game than NBA Live Mobile, say it in the descriptions. I don't really care what game I'm playing unless it's really, like, you know, boring. So So it is the King 84 here saying, oh my goodness, bro. Oh, I'm gonna, whoa, let's check these stats. Oh my goodness, whoa. He almost has a 99 shooting. Alright, this is the King 84 here saying peace.